see that ceasefire news coming in, a 2-week breather that US and Iran are taking, and on the back of that, we did see the US markets climb up. In fact, they saw a rally of almost 1,000-odd points. If you look at the US markets and how they inched up, we did see Dow Jones that ended 1,300 points higher. We had S&P 500 that was up 2.5%, and Nasdaq Composite that also gained almost 3% in the trading session. But that was on the back of the optimism as when the ceasefire was announced. But as of now, the latest that's coming in is the fact that Iran Parliament Speaker Mohammad Bagher Ghalbaf has accused US of violating the ceasefire terms. In fact, they say the US has breached 3 points of Iran's 10-point proposal accepted by Donald Trump. So it is a very precarious situation. The situation is rather volatile as of now as far as the ceasefire is concerned. And in the back of that, if we can quickly pull up the US futures and check how the futures are doing, and because the futures were trading very, very flat in the morning, S&P 500, Nasdaq both have slipped 0.1%, whereas Dow Jones fell by 32 odd points. So it was trading very flat in the morning, though with a negative bias. And in fact, you can see that coming in on the Asian markets as well. Asian markets see a sea of red because of the precarious position of the ceasefire, whether it will really last or not. On the back of that, we do have Nikkei that slipped more than 0.5% in the trading session. That's Hang Seng is down 0.8%. Shanghai is also trading down 0.7%. And S&P ASX 200 is also trading with very marginal cuts of 0.06%. So it's very fragile as far as the US-Iran ceasefire is concerned. And on the back of that fragility of the ceasefire, the Asian markets have opened up in the red. And the gift Nifty is also indicating a start of with cuts of almost 62 odd points. So that's where really the markets are at right now. We can expect a negative start today on the back of that Iran's accusation of violation of ceasefire on account of US. But let's